That's a spoon. That's a spoon. That's a fork. That's a fork. That's a knife. That's a knife. That's a plate. That's a plate. That's a bowl. That's a bowl. That's a cup. That's a cup. That's a glass. That's a glass. That's a pan. That's a pan. That's a pot. That's a pot. That's a kettle. That's a kettle. That's a stove. That's a stove. That's a fridge. That's a fridge. That's a microwave. That's a microwave. That's a cutting board. That's a cutting board. That's a rice cooker. That's a rice cooker. That's a sink. That's a sink. That's a table. That's a table. That's a cabinet. That's a cabinet. That's a chair. That's a chair. That's a drawer. That's a drawer. That's a ladle. That's a ladle. That's a spatula. That's a spatula. That's a blender. That's a blender. That's a toaster. That's a toaster. That's a dish rack. That's a dish rack. That's a towel. That's a towel. That's a trash bin. That's a trash bin. That's a lunchbox. That's a lunchbox. That's a sponge. That's a sponge. That's a whisk. That's a whisk. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe for See Me in Another videos.